All right, today we're going to build a career blueprint for a role that sits right at the very heart of massive engineering projects. I'm talking about the AVEVA E3D Administrator. Now, it sounds like a really powerful position, right? But what does it actually involve? Let's find out. And this, right here, is the big question you've got to ask yourself. Is being an E3D admin a path to real influence and expertise? Or is it one of those high-pressure jobs that's going to keep you up at night? Let's break down the reality of it. So what is an E3D administrator anyway? Well, the best way to think about them is as the backbone of the project's entire 3D design system. Seriously, they're the ones making sure this incredibly complex digital model works perfectly for every single engineer on the team. To really get our heads around this role, we need to unpack what they actually do. What does an E3D admin's job look like day in and day out? Okay, the responsibilities are, well, they're vast. They handle everything from the initial project and database setup to managing who can access what. They're the go-to problem solvers for any system errors. They maintain the digital library of parts, the catalogs and specs, and they even write custom scripts to make things run more efficiently. Really, they're the guardians of the project's digital twin. So that's the list of duties, but what does a day actually feel like? Let's walk through a typical day to make this whole thing a bit more real. Your day usually kicks off with a system health check. Then, the middle of the day is all about support. You're helping designers who are stuck, diving in to fix database glitches, and managing user permissions. Then, the afternoon is more about the bigger picture, running reports, coordinating with different teams, and looking for ways to automate tasks. In a big project with hundreds of designers, you are the central hub for everyone. Okay, now for the part everyone's wondering about. Let's talk about that big trade-off, the pressure versus the paycheck. What's the stress really like? And does the salary make it all worthwhile?
Here's the thing. The stress in this job isn't constant. It's directly tied to project deadlines. For a lot of the time, the work is pretty manageable and steady. But when you get close to a major delivery date, the pressure ramps up a lot. Just think about it. If the entire system goes down for just 1 hour, you could be stopping hundreds of engineers from getting their work done. That is a ton of responsibility sitting right on your shoulders.
So does the salary make up for that stress? Well, the potential is definitely there. In India, an experienced admin can pull in up to 18 lakh a year. In the US, you're looking at around $95,000, and that's often way more than a standard designer role. And if you're in key oil and gas markets like the UK, the UAE, or Norway, you can bet senior admins are earning very, very competitive salaries.
And what about your life outside of work? For the most part, it's a stable, office-based role, not a lot of travel. But, and you knew there was a but coming, you have to be ready for those critical project phases. That can mean late-night emergency calls, dropping everything for a system fix, and working weekends to get that project over the finish line. All of this information really leads to the most important question of all. Is this role the right fit for you? Do you have the right kind of DNA for it?
You are going to thrive in this job if you're the kind of person who just loves tinkering with technology to make it work for people. If you're a natural problem solver, if you enjoy managing complex systems and writing scripts, and if you get a real kick out of helping your entire team succeed, this is for you.
But here's something you need to be really honest with yourself about. Do you love the creative part of design? Because this role is a step away from hands-on work like piping or structural modeling. It's a career path that moves you toward technical management. If your passion is creative design, you might find this less fulfilling.
So what about job security? Well, this career path offers some pretty strong stability. The demand for E3D admins is actually growing because all the major industries that build our world, we're talking oil and gas, power plants, infrastructure, they all rely on these advanced 3D design systems. This isn't some niche role, it's a critical one. Now, if you want to become truly indispensable, here's the secret sauce. You need to expand your skill set. Don't just be an E3D admin. Become a tech powerhouse by adding skills like PML scripting, Python for automation, SQL for database management, and Power BI for data visualization. That combination makes you incredibly valuable and really future-proofs your career. So, we've gone through the responsibilities, the stress, the salary, and the kind of personality that fits. Now it's time to bring it all together for the final verdict. Could this career be your next chapter? Ultimately, this is a career that commands a lot of respect.
It's a blend of deep technical expertise, really meticulous system management, and the ability to solve critical problems when the pressure is on. It's definitely challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding and has some serious growth potential.
So there you have it. The blueprint for a career as an AVEVA E3D administrator is all laid out. It's a path that can be stressful, for sure, but also incredibly rewarding. The final question, well, that one's for you to answer. Will you build it?